In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to change card size in Notion step by step. This is a super useful customization feature, especially if you're using gallery views for projects, notes, content planning, or task management, and want your workspace to look cleaner and more organized. Whether your cards feel too big, too small, or just not right for the information you're displaying, Notion makes it easy to adjust them in just a few clicks. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Notion tips, tutorials, and productivity guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Notion and go to the page where your database or gallery view is located. This can be any page that contains a gallery view, such as a project dashboard, a knowledge base, or a personal organization system. Once you're on the correct page, make sure the database is displayed as a gallery view, since card size settings apply specifically to gallery layouts. Next, at the top of the gallery, click on the view name and type in a name for your gallery view if it doesn't already have one. Naming your views is helpful when you have multiple layouts for the same database, such as small cards for an overview and large cards for detailed browsing. After that, look toward the top right corner of the gallery and click on the three-dot menu. This menu contains all the customization options for your current view. From the menu, click on Layout. This is where Notion lets you control how your gallery cards are displayed, including spacing, previews, and card size. Inside the layout settings, look for the option labeled Card Size. This setting determines how large each card appears in the gallery. You'll usually see options like Small and Large. Click on Small if you want a more compact layout that shows more cards on the screen at once. This is perfect for quick scanning or when you don't need large previews. If you prefer bigger visuals or want more information visible on each card, click on Large instead. This option makes each card bigger and easier to read, especially if you're using cover images or detailed properties. You can switch between small and large at any time, and the changes apply instantly, so feel free to experiment and choose what works best for your workflow. Once you've selected your preferred card size, you're all set. You've successfully learned how to change card size in Notion and customize your gallery view to match your needs. Before you go, if this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy Notion tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.